Today we're going to talk about using compound sentences in our writing. Compound sentences can make your writing less choppy and more interesting. Try joining shorter sentences into compound sentences when you write. This will make your writing smoother. The first passage has short, choppy sentences. I spent a week on Ben's farm. I had a good time. I fed chickens. I collected their eggs. I could have ridden on a tractor. I rode a horse instead. The next passage includes compound sentences. I spent a week on Ben's farm and I had a good time. I fed chickens and collected their eggs. I could have ridden on a tractor, but I rode a horse instead. Notice how this makes the writing sound much smoother and more interesting.